Yes, hello, good evening. Welcome to Unacademy, the number one learning app in India that made learning easy for all the students. So hope everyone will join as soon as possible. Audible, right, everyone? Because in yesterday's session I was I didn't connected a microphone and I was keep on talking for 5 to 10 minutes. Then I come to know some of my students are told not audible. Then I fixed the microphone. Then I restarted. Okay, so that complications that type of mistakes should not be repeat now. So for that sake, so I am taking now itself. Yes, it is audible, right? Okay, audible, right? Joiner. Yes, my dear. So this is for Karnataka CET 2021 comprehensive batches. So we have Unacademy Plus program for you guys. Like a complete syllabus will be covered. Tips and tricks given by the top educators from the part of Karnataka. Topic wise practice questions, full length mock test, everything, and a single subscription at unlimited access, 1 month plan at 2,500, and it is available till 31st of the January. So we have another plans, like we have different plans like 1 month plan, 6 month plan, 12 month plan. So 1 month plan 2,500, 6 month plan 11,250, 12 month plan 13,750 rupees. Hi Dhananjay, good evening. So the beneficiaries is like premium content at affordable price, structured like courses, dedicated doubt clearing session, quizzes, batches for test series, complete preparation, test series, full length mocks, etc. Single subscription for unlimited access. These are the beneficiaries we give for the students. So hope you will subscribe for Unacademy Plus. Use my code RITESHLIVE. So only if you use this code, then you will get all the beneficiaries, and even to come into free session also you need to, if you are new joiner, you need to use this code. Please recommend your friends to join Unacademy for the new for the free sessions. They, if they need to watch free session also, they need to use this code RITESHLIVE. And for getting subscription, then that is 10% of discount. For that you have to go for the same code, my dears. Okay, so let me start the session. And the session 1 minute. Yes. Okay, this is the numerical from total internal reflection. I will complete this one. Numerical very important for NCERT. Then I will directly go for the MCQ, my dear. Numerical, you know that, you know, right? A vessel is fully filled with a liquid. Dhananjay, you know, right? This one. Vessel is fully filled. If this is the vessel fully filled with water, there is a point source which kept, and they have given a refractive index of that neta is equal to 5 by root 3. Is it right? Then now observer looks the source from the top. A circular disc is kept so that exactly opposite the what exactly opposite the not opposite, exactly over the above the light source. Okay, now the liquid is taken out so that source cannot be seen from the outside world. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರ ವೆಸಲ್ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು, they kept vessel over the point source. So the observer who is viewing from the outside cannot see the source at what height. So ಒಂದು ಎಷ್ಟು height ಅಲ್ಲಿ the observer cannot see the object which kept inside. Okay, hi Abhinav, good evening, welcome to Unacademy. So that you need to find out, my dear. So how I gonna find? Yes, simple. So what I do is I will write a straight line, that is normal line, then I will extend this and I will extend this. Okay, this is the height where source is kept. That height is how much they have given. They are not given the height, they asked you to calculate the height. Okay, h you need to find out. And what they ask, what they have given, any radius? Yes, they have given the radius. Okay, radius of the vessel from here to here, how much they have given, my dear? 1 centimeter. This is the radius, is it right? So I need, this is nothing but a critical angle. So after the critical angle, for one point, the observer which is kept inside, the source which is kept inside will not be visible for the outside world. Okay, so ಇದು ಈ ವಾಟರ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆದಾಗೆ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದ್ದ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಕಾಣ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಣುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರುವಂತದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೈಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವರ್ ಈ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಹೈಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರಬೇಕು ಮಿನಿಮಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ತನಕ he can see the source which kept inside. Okay, that is the concept. So ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಇದು? ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಗೆ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಬರೀರಿ. tan c is nothing but opposite over hypotenuse. So that is radius how much? 1 over h. Is it right? Okay. So idu equation number 1. Okay. Then what you do is consider a right angle triangle. Okay. So you know sin c is what? Sin c is 1 by neta. So they have given the value of neta, that is how much? 5 by 3. Then sin c is 3 by 5. Is it right? Okay, so what I do is, this is critical angle C. I will take this as C, and there I will substitute sin C value here. That is 3 by 5. That is you will get the sin C is nothing but opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, then what is the value of this one? This side value of base adjacent. That is from Pythagoras you will get a 4. Okay, so now what I do, for the same triangle I will write a tan C for the same triangle. Then I will get a 3 over 5 opposite over, not 3 over 5, that is 3 over 4 opposite over adjacent. Is it right? Yes, my dear. Then 3 over 4. So I will take this as equation number 2. Okay. Now consider equation number 1 and equation number 2. Tan C is equal, that is LN side, LHS, left hand side. Then you can directly write 1 by H is equal to 3 by 4, my dear. H is equal to what? 4 by, sorry, 3 by 4. Then H is equal to 4 by 3. 1 second. Opposite over adjacent, 3 by 4. Okay, so 1 by H is equal to 3 by 4. Then H is equal to 4 by 3. Is it right, Dhananjay? Then now you write D. Actually D is the right answer. Where we did the mistake, my dear Dhananjay? Where we did the mistake? Tan C is nothing but opposite over adjacent, right? Uh, Opposite over adjacent, right? Okay, so option number A is right. Then 4 by 3, not 4 by 3, it should be 3 by 4. How we got, where we did the mistake? Dhananjay, go through it. Anywhere? 1 centimeter radius. Okay, then we gone for tan C. Tan C is equal to 1 by H. That is yes, like this and here. Okay, so the right answer is A. Okay, so the right answer is A, 4 by 3. Is it right? That is right. Okay, super. Then we will go for next question, my dear. Directly image formation by the spherical mirrors. See here, there are different mirrors, like one is plane mirror and other one is a concave mirror, other one is convex mirror. What is plane mirror? Plane mirror is nothing but normal ನಿಮ್ದು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು plane mirror. Okay, like so ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ in plane mirror the image, if this is a plane mirror, okay, so if you stand here, then the image will be formed behind the mirror. Okay, normal ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಕೋರೇಟಿವ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಿರರ್ ಇಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಮಿರರ್ and from mirror to image, that distance will be equal. Okay, so that is plane mirror. And concave mirror, what is concave mirror, my dear? Where we used concave mirror for every mirror equation and all, we did a concave mirror. Concave mirror is nothing but inside surface is polished one. So if this is the principal axis, the ray will incident over inside and it will reflect back, okay, in such a way that it will meet at focus point. Is it right? Okay, this is concave mirror. And convex mirror, ulta, like where inside surface is what, rough one, and outside surface is polished one. Here the ray will be incidenting and it will reflect back. Very interesting topic, please be online. Okay, this is the incident, this is the reflecting. Okay, ಸೊ ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್, ರೋಡ್ ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಾಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇವನ್, ಸೊ ಈ ತರ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಕಾನ್ವೆಕ್ಸ್ ಮಿರರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಕಾನ್ವೆಕ್ಸ್ ಮಿರರ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಮಿರರ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, So ಇದು ಇವಾಗ we will go for key points. Key points like a real and virtual image, inverted or upright, diminished or enlarged and small size. So ಆ ಥರ ಇದೆ. So diminished or small size or enlarged. So ಆ ಥರ ಇದೆ. Okay, only three key points. Real and virtual. Real is nothing but I will tell what it is real, what it is virtual, what it is inverted. Inverted is nothing but, so if this is a pen, where I have a pen, where is my pen? Sorry, I don't have a pen. If this is a pen, okay, so this is the object. Okay, consider myself, I am the object. Okay, so ಇವಾಗ ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಲು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದೇನಲ್ಲ? ಹೌದು. ಸೊ yes, right, a vehicle mirror, technical Greek, that is concave mirror. Okay, so if I am the object, ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಮಿರರ್ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ನಿಂತುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಂದು ತಲೆ ನಿಂತುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು, ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿ ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಲು ಕೆಳಗಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಮಿರರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಬರುವಾಗ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಕಾಲು ಕೆಳಗೆ ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆ ತರ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಯಾವ ತರ ನಿಂತುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಮಿರರ್ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ, ಅದೇ ತರ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ದೆನ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಪ್ರೈಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ದೆನ್ ಡಿಮಿನಿಶ್ಡ್. ಡಿಮಿನಿಶ್ಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಮಿರರ್ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ನಿಂತುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಂದು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿ ಕಂಡ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಮಿನಿಶ್ಡ್. ದೆನ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಎನಿಯೋ ಯು ನೋ. ದೆನ್ ಎನ್ಲಾರ್ಜ್ಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ the image will be what high. Okay, that is enlarged. So then real and virtual. Real is nothing but what? Okay, from the incident ray only. Virtual is nothing but behind the mirror. Okay, I will tell what it is exactly. See here, this is a type of a plane mirror where the object is kept. Okay, so from object to mirror, and the image is formed behind the mirror. Okay, this is nothing but a plane mirror. Okay, why you retracted technical? Why you deleted? No issues. You told the right answer, my dear. Okay, so image will be formed behind the mirror, as I told, and this is not in a syllabus. But still I am telling because to understand the concept of virtual and real. Okay, so the object distance and the mirror is that is same distance between object and mirror, as I told, and from image to mirror to image, that is same. Okay, so it is a virtual type. Virtual type means the image formed is behind the mirror. So the correct concept you will get to know once I start concave and convex mirror. Okay, then it is upright. Upright means normally ಇವಾಗ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಮಿರರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನಿಂತುಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ತರ, ಸೊ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ನಿಂತುಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ತರ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ, ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಅಪ್ರೈಟ್. ದೆನ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಹೈಟ್. ಸೇಮ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್, ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ಯಾವ ತರ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ ಹೈಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅದೇ ಹೈಟ್ ಮಿರರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣುವಂಥದ್ದು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಿರರ್. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಬೇಡ. ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಕಾನ್ಕೇವ್ ಮಿರರ್. ಸೊ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಕಾನ್ಕೇವ್ ಮಿರರ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋ ಮುಂಚೆ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದ ರೂಲ್ಸ್. Rule number 1, a ray of light which is parallel to the principal axis after the reflection passes through the focus point. Okay, so ಇದು ಮಿರರ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಹೌದಾ? See here, this is the principal axis, my dear. When the ray of light incidenting and it will reflect back in such a way that that reflected ray will meet at a point, that point is called focus point. Okay, so from focus point to pole, that is a focal length. Leave it. So that is one point. And other point, as you know, the incident ray is equal to the reflected ray. So ray of light incidenting over the midpoint of the pole, then it will reflect in such a way that incident angle is equal to reflected angle. Okay, that is the rule of concave mirror. So let me start. Okay, so image formed by the concave mirror. See the concept, see the figure. It is very good actually, very interesting even. See here, when, okay, so first you know the concept like C, that is the center of curvature, then B, that is a focus point, then P, that is pole. Okay, so now what I do is I will okay, so now I kept the object here beyond the C. Okay, beyond the C ಅಂದ್ರೆ C ಇಂದ ಹಿಂದಗಡೆ. ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕಾನ್ಕೇವ್ ಮಿರರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು I will stand beyond C, then I will walk near to C and I will stand over the C, that is center of curvature. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಫ್ ನಡುವಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತಾಗ ಯಾವ ತರ, ದೆನ್ ಎಫ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪಿ ಮಿಡ್ಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತಾಗ ಯಾವ ತರ, ಎಫ್ ನ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಅದೇ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನಿಂತುಕೊಂಡು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಅದು ನಾನು ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೇನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ MCQ ಯಾವ ತರ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ದ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇಮೇಜ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ? ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಯಲ್, ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆರ್ ಅಪ್ರೈಟ್, ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಮಿನಿಶ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಆರ್ ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎನ್ಲಾರ್ಜ್, ಅದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ MCQ ಅಲ್ಲಿ KCET ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ತರ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ವೆನ್ ಐ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ವೇಚರ್, ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ, ವೆದರ್ ದ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಯಲ್ or virtual or same. So different options will be there. So you have to guess and you have to write. Guess, not guess. Guessing means if you know the concept, you can guess directly, right? Okay. So the first case is I stand beyond the sea. So I stand here. Okay. I have the MCQ for this. Okay. You know the rule for concave mirror. So one way ray will any minimum two rays should follow from the object. Then only you will get image. Okay. So you know the concept, right? Minimum two rays should follow from the object. Then only you will have the image of that object. Okay, Dhananjay, what is the meaning of inverted or diminished and diminished? Okay, so inverted is nothing but, my dear, inverted is nothing but, so consider a pen. If this is a pen, okay, so first ಇದು object mirror ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ನಿಲ್ತದೆ ಈ ತರ. I will place this pen into the mirror. So ಇದರದ image ಯಾವ ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಉಲ್ಟಾ. So ಈ ತರ ಬಂದ್ರೆ then that is inverted. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅದೇ ತರ ಡಿಮಿನಿಷ್ಡ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಇದು ಪೆನ್ ಇದೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಮಿರರ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ ಮಿರರ್ ದ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇವಾಗ ಇಷ್ಟು ಚಿಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, ದೆನ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಮಿನಿಷ್ಡ್, ಅದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಸ್ಪೆರಿಕಲ್ ಮಿರರ್ಸ್. ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ MCQ ತುಂಬಾ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Any two MCQs may ask from this topic in KCET. Okay, ಇರೋದೇ 60 marks, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 2 to 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ huge. So 3 marks ಅಲ್ಲಿ the rank will vary in such a way that around 2 to 5,000 ranking. Okay, super. So two rays should follow from the object. First ray will follow here and the second ray in this way. Okay, so the first ray first ray will follow and strike over here and it will reflect and meet at a focus point. Why? Because this is parallel to the principal axis. Incident ray should meet at a focus point and it will continue. Okay, similarly second ray will strike over pole, then it will reflect and in such a way that the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Okay, so the intersection of those rays will be what? Image. Okay, so I will draw a line till the principal axis. That line, that is nothing but the size of the image, my dears. So here see the rays started from point A, the intersection point also will be A. So I will consider this as A dash. Okay, then I will write a perpendicular line to the principal axis that will meet at a point B dash. Okay, uh, that is B dash because B is lying on the principal axis, so I will name it as B dash. So now observe the image and the object. So object is standing in such a way that A is at the top, B is in the bottom, but after the image you got B at the top, B dash I have named, and it is at the bottom. This is nothing but inverted image. Ulta. Understood, my dear? Then what is real and virtual? Whether it is real and virtual. Real is nothing but if you get an image from the reflected ray. So ಇವಾಗ ಈ ತರ ಹೋಗಿ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ರೇ ಈ ತರ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ರೇ ಇಂದ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಇಮೇಜ್, ದೆನ್ ದಟ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ಇಮೇಜ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ರೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೊ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದೆನ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವರ್ಚುವಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ರೇ ಓನ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ ದ ಇಮೇಜ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ಇಮೇಜ್. And property, another property, it is inverted, whether it is diminished or enlarged or diminished or same in size. Yes, it is diminished ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್, ಪ್ರೊಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೂಡ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ತರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಇಮೇಜ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ C and F with the smaller in size. Okay, hi Ganita, good evening, thank you for joining. Please be online till the session ends. Okay, so hope you understood, my dears. Beyond C, Dhananjay, technical Greek, Ganita, hope you understood the concept, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Hope you understood. Yes, good. Next, image formed with a concave mirror, then object is kept over the C, that is center of curvature. Okay, so what I did, I moved from B to C now. Okay, so when I moved from B to C, here I am standing here. Okay. Now produce the rays, incident ray, second ray. Okay, minimum two rays should follow, my dear. Then it is reflecting back in such a that it will meet at focus point, and similarly it will hit over the another ray, hit over the pole, then it will reflect in such a way that the angle is same. Then it will meet at a single point, my dears. That is nothing but image. So when you produce, you will get the same image. Okay, so I have written, okay, a dash b dash. Okay, so image, actually it was object actually a to b, and even image is now a dash to b dash, right? Now tell me whether it is inverted or erect image. Yes, my dear, it is inverted. Okay, and whether it is real image, yes, my dear, it is real. Then what about the size? Size, when you see it, it is the same in size. Okay, so if you draw an object of 3 centimeter from using scale and all everything, then you will get a image of 3 centimeter only. Okay, you can try by yourself if you have any doubts regarding that. Okay, so MCQs will be like, when an object stand on the center of curvature, the image is options inverted, magnified, ಆ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ. You have to tick for the right answer. Next, case number 3. Object is in between C and F, my dear. Now I have moved into the near to the near to the mirror. So now I will stand here between C and F. Okay, when I stand between C and F, okay, I am standing like this, right? Okay, so when I stand here, see, two rays will follow. The first ray will move, reflect over the what focus point. The second ray make the same angle, the reflected ray, and see the image. Now the image is inverted again, and it is a real image, and it is magnified. Magnified is nothing but enlarged. You can write enlarged. Okay, so if you forgot to write, then you can write in the exam enlarged. But MCQ, if they give an option like magnified, then you should know it is a type of enlarged or else enlarged. Okay, so hope you understood, my dears. Right? Next one. Object is at F, very near to the mirror. Okay, so your condition is the, when I stand at F, two rays will follow, and it will make the same property, same thing, same rule. But now see the lines, these two are very parallel, similar to parallel. Okay, so very parallel to each other. I mean like this. Okay, not fully parallel, like this you will get. So the image formed, it is almost parallel. The image will form at infinity. Okay, image will be forming at infinity at a long distance, and that means they will intersection, in the intersection will take place at infinity. I mean the image formed will be very high. I mean highly magnified. Is it right? And almost it is inverted anyhow, and the thing is it is real image. Why? Means I got an image from the reflected ray. Next, now I am very close to the pole, that is very close to the mirror of concave mirror. When I am very close to the concave mirror, see, observe here. When I very close to the concave mirror, that is what will happen. The reflected ray will not meet. The reflected ray will not meet. Is it right? Where they will meet? One second. Give me a second. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second, please. So, where the concave mirrors are used? Okay, in the shaving mirrors, the same head mirrors, optoscope, astronomical telescope, solar furnace. So those are the shaving mirrors. Shaving mirrors means ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ, ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ಕಾಣುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಭೂತ ಕನ್ನಡಿ. ಭೂತ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ? ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಟೆಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಭೂತ ಕನ್ನಡಿ? ಧನಂಜಯ್, ಯು ನೋ ಫಾರ್ ಭೂತ ಕನ್ನಡಿ? Shaving mirror ಅಲ್ಲಿ they will use what concave mirrors. Okay, actually ಗಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ಕಾಣುವಂಥದ್ದು. Right. So ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು very near to the mirror. Now the same thing, but you will get like this. That is wide open. Okay. Then it will not meet. I need to extend back the reflected ray. Extend backward in such a way that it will meet at a point. That a point is nothing but image. Okay. So see the image here. See the image. That is nothing but highly magnified, and it is not inverted. Now it is what? It is erect image, right? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ b dash ಅದೇ correcta? Intersection, correcta? Okay. So then what do you mean by virtual image? Yes. Okay. So ಭೂತ ಕನ್ನಡಿಯನ್ನು ಹತ್ತ ಇಟ್ಟ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? You will get a larger image, very larger image, right? That is nothing but concave mirror. Hope you understood. Hope you understood. Hope you understood, my dear. And even my technical Greek, he told like even vehicle mirror they use concave mirror. Yes, of course. So they will use even concave mirror and even plane mirrors. Okay, concave mirror they will use. Why? Because the far away object should be look closer. See whether you observed in the bike mirror, there is a writing like in this mirror the objects will look very closer to you, right? So that is nothing but concave mirror. Okay, so vehicle mirror you can write. Okay, my dear. So image formation by the concave mirror, virtual image, erect image, and magnified. Okay, so hope you understood everyone, right? Okay, then I will go for convex mirror. So convex mirror rule number 1 and rule number 2 similar, but here outside surface is polished one. So what will happen here? The image is incidenting and it will not reflect back in such a way that to the focus point. Where is the focus point? Actually mirror is like this. So here is the mirror, focus point here, center of curvature here. Okay, like this, center of curvature, then it should be like this. Okay. Okay, so now it will not meet, it will reflect back in such a way that the reflect, if you extend the reflected ray, then they will meet at focus point. Or you can write the reflected ray will look like it is coming from focus. Okay, that is what the definition says. A ray of light which is parallel to the principal axis, after the reflection it appears to be coming from the focus. Okay, similarly ray option number 2, sorry, rule number 2, and that is same incident ray making a refracted, making same angle, that is reflected ray. So those are the two equations, two rules. Again the image formation is very easy in the convex mirror. So where we use convex mirror in junction, road junction, in all the cases. So here, ಸೊ ಯಾವ ತರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಉಬ್ಬಿಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತದೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಮಿರರ್ ಈ ತರ, ಬಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದು ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಮೇಜ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಶಾರ್ಟರ್, right? So that is why, because see the image formed when at a longer distance or at a infinity distance. So when I stand there, do the ray diagram, that is reflecting back meet at a focus point. When you extend the similar, and when I extend those two, it will meet at a single point, and that image is virtual image. Why? Because I got the image from the reverse produced rays, right? Virtual image, and it is erect, my dears, it is erect, of course, and it is diminished. Diminished means smaller in size. Okay, so you know the property. Then if I go same, but what I do is I will come very closer now, very shorter distance to the mirror, but the same properties, the same phenomena, it will reflect back in such a way that if you produce, then it will meet at a focus point. Similar, the incident reflected, if you produce, it will meet, two rays will meet, and that meeting point is nothing but the image, right? So that image is a virtual image, erect and diminished, my dears. So this is the property of the convex mirror, simple. So in the convex mirror the property is same all over, it is virtual image and it is erect image and it is diminished always. Okay, so we will go for MCQs in the upcoming session tomorrow. Okay, so hope you will be there for the tomorrow session, and hope you enjoyed the session a lot. A very interesting topic, that is image formed by the spherical mirrors. And thank you for joining everyone, Dhananjay and Rinita, Ganitha, then technical Greek, everyone. Thanks a lot for joining and have a great time. I love you all. So I will wind up the session. Bye bye. Good night. Take care.